Hi, this is Andy Teet, host of Andy's Awesome Adventures, and welcome to Iceland. We're on our way to Dettifoss, or as we call it, Dettifoss. Oh, I see mist. Where there's mist, there's a waterfall. There it is, wow. Dettifoss. Beautiful. Little baby. Wow. Yeah, but we'll go down. It's kind of a steep climb down, so you gotta be careful. But it'll be worth it when we get down there. Oh, jeez. Holy crap. It's coming from here. That is quite powerful. Alright, we're getting a little mist here, but you can still see the rainbow. Look at this beautiful greenery here. This is crazy. Alright, next waterfall, Selfoss. Alright, we are done with Dettifoss. Now on to Selfoss. But in the meantime, check out all these rocks. This waterfall is brought to you by Andy's Awesome Adventures. This is truly an awesome adventure. Look at that landscape, it's crazy. You can see all the volcanic rock here on the way to Selfoss. You can see the spray, you can see the falls a little bit. It's like a mini Niagara Falls. Oh wow, it's like all the way down there. Alright, due to time constraints, alright, we have to go back. But I want to get some last video and photos. Nice. Bye, Selfoss.